Well, we're here at PROMAT 2015 promoting our ergonomic line of casters. We've created a modular KP system that allows our customers to grow with their ergonomic demands for today, tomorrow, and for things they haven't even thought of yet at this point. One of the interesting things that we brought up is a modular system that allows for customers to go from a single wheel to a dual wheel to a triple wheel, add a braking system or a central locking system or a central braking system, which is revolutionary really in the industry. Nobody's brought anything like that forward at this point in time. As well, we are presenting our debris-resistant materials to the marketplace. Our neoprene is quite extensively used in the medical world in protection from biologics, keeping quiet in hallways through medical facilities, which is our neoprene. It's exceptional material. It doesn't get a lot of fanfare, but it is extremely important material to our success here at DARCOR.
Talk to me a little bit more about the ergonomics. What are your clients asking for specifically? Is there any one trend that they're looking to address?
The trend that our customers are bringing to us is they want, like everybody would like, a one-fix-all type of scenario. However, with the aggressive ergonomics that's being brought to the marketplace through progressive employers, there's not a lot of clarity on wheels. It is a new venture for a lot of engineers, ergonomists. They really haven't studied it all that well. It's truly a new frontier. And DARCOR being 80 years old, we've always been looked at as the ergonomic company, from insurance companies to workmen's safety insurance boards. We've always been at the front end, leading and setting trends. One of the things that our customers are asking for is progressive change in casters, and they want the flexibility, as we mentioned, so hence the modularity of our casters. They don't want to be stuck buying one caster that fits for today's standard, which may be OSHA at 50 pounds, and then a company ergonomist says, no, we need to be at 30 pounds, and now they have to destroy their entire fleet and rebuy all new casters. That's really the biggest concern in the marketplace at this point.
So do you then work also with your customers to develop specific solutions, so they move product A to B and C, and then they work with your skill and expertise and research and development to come up with solutions?
Yes, we are solution driven. We are educators to our customers, which we call our partners. We rarely talk about price points or a sale. We talk about a solution, and every solution can be different from one side of the plant to the other side of the plant. So we walk in there, we investigate with their ergonomists, their engineering staff, their production facility personnel, to understand the clear objective of what is the clear end goal. And everybody has different objectives, obviously, and we customize that solution to meet the objectives. But one of the things that it escapes me, and I didn't mention earlier, one of the things that you asked that everyone's talking about is everyone talks about wheel durability. We can now tell you that in 5 years that wheel will be ergonomically as good as it was in year one, because we have test data that provides that information. We have large automotive manufacturers that have been using our triple wheel solution for 5 years, and the degradation of that ergonomic performance has been negligible at best. Actually, when we bring those wheels back into house, they've performed better than they were new, which is kind of leaving our engineers baffled a little bit. And it's basically because the bearings and everything's kind of loosened up a little bit. So we're actually getting better in lab testing as the wheel matures, which is quite astounding. And there's no caster company out there that really has challenged that ergo longevity type of approach. We are definitely a market setter with that, and we are educating our customers, because out of the box everything works. Everything works, and the challenge is ergonomists think they've solved their problem, but they've solved it maybe for 30 days, 60 days, 6 months, maybe a year, but all of a sudden now they have risk again, and they don't know they have risk. So we are partnering with some very major large organizations throughout the world to prove this out. We'd like to get to a point where we can tell you, you're buying that caster, ergonomically it will last for you for 10 years, which is truly unheard of.
What are your expectations for 2015? I mean, how's this year started for you, and how do you expect it to go forward?
We've been being at the forefront of ergonomics. There's never a shortage of people that we can call on. It's been a great year. It was a great year last year, and it's looking just as great this year. As ergonomics is becoming more of a concern and objective for many large organizations and even medium-sized organizations, the thirst for knowledge is unbelievable. With our new website, with our caster simulator and our Ask Engineering, we get tremendous requests all the time for information. We've really become educators. Selling has become a byproduct of educating everybody, and there's a lot of reward to that. There really has been, because I never thought a caster would change people's lives. You just don't think that. And I've been in many situations in facilities where I've had people come out and thank us for adding years back to their life. And it's not often you can say you make an impact with a caster, and I've had some real life experiences, so it's been phenomenal.
That must feel good.
And we're looking forward to a great finish to 2015.
Thanks. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Thank you.